Okay, so we're going to talk about leaders and their behavior. So here we have an arrow, and if I take a look at its settings, we have auto position tail and auto position head. And with that done, the head jumps to some position that is programmed in the Chief Architect. So I've just attached to the center of the object here, and now I'll move the text, and we get this unfortunate result. So I'll just put that back where it was, and now I'm going to change one of the parameters here, and I'm going to turn off auto position tail. And when I do that, the leader line stays horizontal with the text box, which is, I think, the behavior that you're looking for. Now, if you noticed that the arrow turned itself back off, because in auto position head, Chief Architect makes an assumption about where you want to attach the arrow, and it'll move to the closest of the program spots, like that. So as soon as you move the head to some other location, that turns off auto position head. Anyway, if you move the object, this unfortunate behavior comes back unless you move it parallel to the horizontal line, in which case the leader behaves kind of in a good way. Anyway, that's it for now, and I hope that answers your question, although it may not fulfill your wish list. Bye for now.